Labour and Employment Minister T.H. Radheshyam assures of organizing Labour Mela, appeals labourers and its unions to acknowledge the schemes provided by government. Minister T.H. Kumar says one should not be embarrassed of discharging their duties. He was speaking on the occasion of May Day. Drivers of national highways take out a rally against frequent attacks on oil tankers on the Imphal-Manipur highway. And Works Minister Thongam Biswajit assures of restoring the National Highway No. 2 Imphal-Manipur road before the monsoon. Hello and welcome to Impact News. We're watching Prime Time English News and I'm Premi Thangjam bringing you the top stories. Labour and Employment Minister T.H. Radheshyam said the labourers and its unions need to acknowledge the schemes provided by the government. He was speaking at the Labour Day observed by the CAF and PD Labourers Welfare Association at Youth Hostel, Kuman Lampak. Speaking further, the minister expressed the need to discuss the changes in a labourer's quality of life since the time of Industrial Revolution 100 years ago. He also said a workman must know the daily wages or weekly wages to be earned and in how many hours. Although the Labour Department is understaffed, the minister appealed the current staff to work religiously. T.H. Radheshyam assured of organizing a Labour Mela soon with an aim to spread awareness of labour laws amongst the labourers, its unions and associations. Mementos were presented to 10 labourers nominated by the CAF and PD Labourers Welfare Association on the occasion. Top officials of the Labour Department, members of the association and many others were present on the occasion.
Restart tawre leire di kai tawdoinu sine leire se kari gino hai kana akhui mayam sigi welfare gi damtane welfare gi damta akhui kari tawrage sarkar na pirakpo singdo akhui kari pire is mayam khangbi bra sarkar mamang sei de palan tawre ngasi su tawre mamang sei de labor department na laborer mayam gi sinmi mayam kari piri hai bisi akhui gi labor ses hai na paisa ka thami labor card yearly adegi akhui gi kano Ana yaura kana hospital lying with 30,000 over free people yauri season mayam khambi tabis khangde natra khangde ado de koina association nama se ma union nama ladies ma si mayam sigine then ai ladies so koi department ladies so adu gi tamta na koi department so proactive oide.
Mahut Minister T.H. Kumar said one should not be embarrassed of discharging their duties. He was speaking at the 10th Foundation Day of Kanglai Economic Development Organization, KEDO, observed along with the Labour Day at Kwairamban Bazaar today. He further said the Manipuri people are reluctant towards performing their jobs. Shyam Kumar said there is no need to be hesitant and that providing self-employment is the right thing to do. Many people from outside the state have benefited due to the hesitant nature of the people of Manipur. On the occasions of the 10th Foundation Day of KEDO, the minister also presented certificates and mementos to outstanding performers of the organizer. Women vendors of the Lamlong Bazaar were also felicitated at the event. Parliamentary Secretary L. Susindro, women vendors of Kwairamban Bazaar and volunteers of KEDO were present at the event.
Manipur da laiba koi similon si phagana mohana bada naron singi ekoi youth mayam gi asauba daita masang isa gi natra inau gi natra iyam gi natra ima gi hai mayam singi koi na nong ma ai youth nong gi thabak taw daba yade wa khanon se koi main thamo da me kam thaba apa ba thaba isa nei sabu thabo pizaba youth mayam sina koi thola ka da tonga ba lami thola ka da hogok ta ngasi de ima singi mateng pang na Nomagi Semelon Pangana Imuni Kanariba Amade, a quick lam the Mashida, a quaint Suza Gadavani, a quick lam the Mashida, a quaina, Semelosi Pangadame Okanonda, Tolko Sigam Aisha, take it a Ponto said.
Joint Administrative Council JAC of All Manipur Trade Unions Council AMTUK and All Manipur Government Employees Organization AMGO also observed Labour Day at the premises of the council in Babupara today. President of the JAC, Khaidem Mani, professors of various departments of Manipur University and other leaders were present on the occasion. Floral tributes were also paid to deceased members of the JAC.
अखोई भारत सरकार ना नौना जून जुलाई अदुदा चलाई खरबा 2016 दा चलाई खरबा सिजना खरबा 7 पे कमीशन की रिकमेंडेशन अदो मणिपुर दसु स्टेट सिदसु लैरिबा सरकार सिना 7 पे कमीशन से मपुंग फाना थबक तो उन्थोक पेरकनी हाइबिगी थाजबदो आइना थमजरी लोइना लोइना अदुम्बा अखोई की चार्टर ऑफ डिमांड दे यावरिबा पॉइंट कोनिथोय से सरकार ना कुपना खनरबिगी तुंगदा मची तौबा तंगाई फदना तौदबा यादबनी हाइना कलगा मचे थबक तो उन्थोक पेरकनी हाइबसी आइना जॉइंट एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव काउंसिल एमटुक अमसुंग एमजीओ की प्रेसिडेंट ओइना आइना आशा तौजरी अखोई भारत
All Manipur Manpower Upliftment Center, AMUK and International League of People Struggle jointly observed the day at Maidingu Gambhir Singh Memorial Complex in Langthabal today. As a part of the event, people planted 3 saplings around the complex. While recognizing the contributions of laborers on the occasion, participants also indicated that reasons for higher quantity of imports of commodities is due to low level of production. They encouraged the laborers to increase their productivity level. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren also greeted the people of Manipur on the occasion of International Workers' Day. In his message, the Chief Minister wished the day would bring a new political culture to strengthen the struggle of labor and contribute to the country's progress. The Manipur Electricity Employees Union also observed a day at the conference hall of the union's office at Pauna International Market. Manipur Proletariat People's Democratic Union MPPDU and Socialist Students Union of Manipur SSUM also jointly organized May Day at the office of MPPDU in Kaishampa Junction. All Manipur Progressive Farmers Association AMFA also observed the day along with their district components at their office in Kaishampad. All Manipur Petroleum Products and Driver Association organized a rally today against the frequent attacks on oil tankers on the Imphal-Dimapur highway. Drivers who ply on the national highways took part in the rally. They made an appeal to not use them as a tool and to allow them to carry out their duties peacefully. They also appealed the government to look into their grievances and demanded adequate security. The rally began from Malom Oil Depot and returned to the depot after reaching Kaishampa Junction. 2 drivers were injured when an unidentified gunman fired at oil tankers in Kangpokpi yesterday morning. It may be recalled that suspected militants fired at 2 oil tankers belonging to IOCL FCI on the 18th of this month around the same time and same location.
ngarang na anta tawgi bada ngai ri si thodok se mayam loina khangam gani adu nga amuka halaga amuk tawrei sini hana di tenki da palam bani ojik di direct mi on da kap to na mi asok pa jo ji akhoi gi marak ta leiri akhoi gi thabak thauram tawam matam da akhoi gi mathak thangbo bichar sing haiba tare akhoi rakta la aga driver mayam leiri si de ngasi akhoi na si sumaina tawre si na usa haraga akhoi da kari hai da awareness khangde kari khangde pibi ba taraga di akhoi ju hena harau gani noi gi sok pa taraga na suk si haiba gi moi gi ai ba chi amom akhoi driver da piraga di hena akhoi ju pen ba nuai ba haiba do सरकार रोम दगी अखोइन हाइजनिंग बाइबो अखोइ सोकप पनबा यारिबा मखै तहनबिदबा सोकप खोटपा यावरगसु नोइगी अखोइ सरकार की तरफ दगी अखोइ सुंगै ngमगनी अदुगा अखोइ सुंगै पीबा ngमगनी हाइबगी आइबा चे मम अखोइ दाइबरदा थंबिबा.
Works Minister Thongam Biswajit inspected the Imphal-Dimapur road today. He was accompanied by Regional Officer Guwahati of Ministry of Road Transport and Highways Pawan Kumar and top officials of PWD. He inspected the potholes and landslides at Tadubi and Katinamai. Biswajit assured of restoring the Imphal-Dimapur Road National Highway number 2 before the monsoon season. He said the Border Road Organization BRO was previously responsible for the restoration work of the national highways. However, due to the nature of work, the restoration work of Imphal-Dimapur Road will be taken up by the state government and National Highway Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited NHIDCL in portions. Biswajit said the government aims to restore the roads of the remote corners of hills as well as in order to bring equal developments between the hills and the valley. Once the potholes on the lifeline National Highway 2 has been filled up, the government plans to make it a 4-lane. Responding to media query on the halting of road restoration work at Ukhrul, Biswajit said the work is taken up by Bharatiya Construction Company and that it is unfortunate that there was no quality maintenance. He promised of actions against the engineers and firms involved.
No, immediately, akoi yam thuna sinini humnis the nong si amuhana tarak takadi. Fajadaba mafam sing to akoi khandu aga na maruena akoi tadubi maramgi state lady ba phatta ba purching ji akoi priority wena paikhale harakanda akoi pothole myam sing ji akoi ne tha amani ji gi manung se delo chale harakanda akoi haribo whole stress se full stress se da akoi hana gi tender lei aduga akoi tender hangada ba UPC motor tender tawre si hek hangakpa matam da akoi gi leriba kalbhat ki oro natraga drainage system ki oro natraga road si gi afaba asengba
It's time for a small commercial break. Lots more coming up right after this break. Stay tuned. Welcome back to the break and you're watching Prime Time English News. Apunba Ireipaki Mahiroi Singh Panglu Ames has appealed the organizers of Sound, Light and Music Band in the Tabal Chongba yesterday to be present at their office in Kwakatal Bazaar by the 5th of this month. In a press release, Ames reminded that they had banned Tabal Chongba from the 29th of this month. Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joykumar was felicitated in different places under Uripo constituency today. Lamboy Kongnangkong Booth Level Committee 10/7 and 10/8 organized a reception for the Deputy Chief Minister at Lamboy Kongnangkong Lampak. Locals honored the Deputy Chief Minister with mementos. The Deputy Chief Minister was also felicitated at Uripo Hanthem Laikai Community Hall and Uripo Koisnam Laikai. Imagi Saktam, a poetry book written by Pauzairung Thaimai from Kaishamthong Kabuikul, was released at Kaishamthong Kabuikul Community Hall today. Pauzarung Thaimai Memorial Trust organized the book release function. It is worth mentioning that Pauzarung Thaimai had written around 20 dramas in Kabui language while he was alive. 2 dramas, Kasokpong and Delhi Chalo, written by him, had won presidential awards. Minglin Kunga Award 2017 has been presented to renowned theatre director Loitongbam Brajamohan. The award was conferred upon the theatre director on the occasion of 46th birth anniversary of Panthoibi Natya Mandir Imphal held today at Nityananda Mandap, Yumnam Laikai. Padma Shri awardee Warepa Nabha was also felicitated at the event. Padma Shri L. Birendra Kumar was unable to attend the event due to an illness. Lions Club Thoubal and Thoubal Municipal Council jointly organized a free medical camp at Thoubal Market. The camp was organized with an aim to make the women vendors of the Thoubal Market free of diseases. 59 people out of around 229 people who underwent blood tests were found to be diabetic and 80 were found to be suffering from hypertension. The camp was sponsored by Alkin, Biocon and Meglioids. Petrol and diesel prices will be revised on a daily basis from today in selected cities of the country. Public sector oil marketing companies will launch a pilot for daily revision of prices in Puducherry, Visakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh, Udaipur in Rajasthan, Jamshedpur in Jharkhand and Chandigarh. Instead of using fortnightly average pump rates will reflect daily movement in international oil prices and rupee-US dollar fluctuations. The scheme will be extended to other parts of the country gradually. Currently, the price of oil is revised on 1st and 16th of every month based on the average international price of the products in the last fortnight and rupee-dollar exchange rates. In Bihar, 8 persons, including 2 women and 2 children, were killed as a goods train run over near Sirari railway station on Gaya-Kuil rail section under Sheikhpura district last night. Over 1,000 persons were injured in this incident, in which 2 are critical. They have been admitted to local hospital for treatment. Rail SP Sapna Mesramji told that the incident occurred when they were crossing the track over an underpass east of Sarari station. According to eyewitnesses, the villagers could not spot the train due to thunderstorm, adding that the train ran over them as they had no place to escape. The railway station is on the border of Sheikhpura and Lakhisarai districts. Before we wrap up the bulletin, a quick look at the headlines once again. Labour and Employment Minister T.H. Radheshyam short of organizing Labour Mela appeals labourers and its unions to acknowledge the schemes provided by the government. Minister T.H. Shyamkumar says one should not be embarrassed of discharging their duties. He was speaking on the occasion of May Day. Drivers of national highways take out a rally against frequent attacks on oil tankers on the Imphal-Dimapur highway. And Works Minister Thongam Biswajit assures of restoring the National Highway No. 2 Imphal-Dimapur Road before the monsoon.